You have a track record of keeping your words. You're not about to stop doing it now. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Let me show you the simplest way to make this beautiful nutty nuts banana cake. Okay, so let's go. Over here we have our bananas, so we're gonna mash it. You can use fork, you can use any masher of your choice. Okay, then we add some brown sugar, some oil, and I am adding some Greek yogurt, which is optional. So we add some extracts, and then I will be adding 2 eggs. Please note, I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out. Okay, so we have our flour here, then we add some baking powder and some salt to taste to make our dry ingredients ready. So we're gonna add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, and voila, we are done. Family, just look at how simple it is. Very easy to do, yet tastes amazingly great. So over here we mix together, and then we transfer into our baking pan. So I'll just garnish it with some nuts, and then bake in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, and then ta-da! Our nutty nuts banana cake is ready. Just look at how beautiful it is. Very simple to make, family. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. So just learn how to make some banana cakes for the family, especially this coming festive season, and they're gonna enjoy. Okay, if you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together. Just look at this akono, very simple to make. Okay, so I hope you're gonna try this. Thank you guys, and see ya in our next video. Bye family.